A special shout out to each and every single one of my YouTube members for helping to support the channel.
Hey everybody, and welcome to the channel. Today's video is our Boxycharm by Ipsy unboxing. I had no idea these were going to be showing up at my door, but they did. They arrived safe and sound, and we're going to unbox them today. So if you missed my last upload, I actually uploaded the Ipsy icon box for May. That box is actually quarterly, and the Boxycharm by Ipsy box is a monthly subscription. If you want to sign up for them, I will have a link down in my description box. I will also pin it in the comment section. And thank you very, very much if you do sign up using my link, because it is an affiliate link. If you've never heard of the Boxycharm by Ipsy box, it is a monthly subscription where you get to do a lot of the customizing, and you fill out a little profile and da-da-da-da. You pick like 3 items, they pick the other 2 items. They are always full-size items. And let's go ahead and jump on in. All right, so here we go for the box. We do have a little card in here, Born to Bloom, and it does have save the dates on here, March 12th to March 8th. No, not March. Try it again. May 12th to May 18th, we've got a mega drop shop, and then June 1st to June 3rd, we have, of course, the Build Your June box. All right. Oh, wow. Wow. Okay, let's start off with the first thing. Oiloplex Volumizing Blow Dry Mist. Love to see hair care products in here. I think that is wonderful. It's a protective volumizer that shields from the heat and humidity. It's good for all hair types. Keep you guys posted on that. But I'm always excited to see Oiloplex in here. Next in here, we've got the Mercy Handy Facial Gel Cleanser. Oh, this is, I've never heard of this brand before. Have y'all? I like the color story. It's really cute. Let's see how you smell it. No wonderful smell or anything like that. So it doesn't, I thought it would say like, oh, there's salicylic acid, zinc, and niacinamide in here. So hopefully it'll work for, gently cleanses and purifies the skin. Hopefully it'll work for my skin. I have I'd say normal to dry, but here lately it's becoming more and more normal. I've started, well, I shouldn't say started, probably last year, started taking NAD Plus injections, and in the past 2 months, I started taking glutathione injections to help with my diabetes, and the NAD has definitely helped my skin so much. I mean, so much. So anyways, no way. Okay, next in here we have the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Q Drops. That is awesome. These are the Sun Glow Drop. All right, I actually got these after my trip to New Orleans, when they, like, Stephanie Marie had recommended it to me, and I go through phases, and when I was using it, I freaking loved it. So I'm very excited to see this. This is perfect for going into the summertime. I am queen of half the time just throwing on sunscreen, maybe a little light mascara, and rolling on out. So excited to see that. Next in here, this is something I feel like we've seen before. The Pink Diamond Rhodile Lifting Oil. It's a Lift and Illuminate Vitamin C Marshmallow Root Diamond Powder Serum. Or maybe it was something no, I do recall something similar to this. And I will say, I do feel like I liked it. I mean, the thing with my job, guys, is like I'm constantly trying new products. And I go into, ooh, I like it, it's new. Okay, so okay, I've not tried this one. It does say oil. It does say lifting oil. It has a scent to it. I was not expecting that. That is really nice. It has a scent of a very, very soft rose or flower. You can see the hydration for sure. That is a blush swatch from my last video. I don't know if people will like the scent. I personally don't mind it, but just keep in mind it does have one. It is a velvety lightweight oil, smooth the complexion with diamond powder and lifting complex to rejuvenate. Apply 2 drops and pat on a clean dry face before makeup. It's almost like that feels really nice. It does feel very, very nice, and I love the way it smells. All right, last in here we have the Huda Beauty Faux Filter and Sugar Baby. Ooh, I've been wanting to try these new Huda, well, new to me Huda products. Oh, that is gorgeous. A high shine blurring and smoothing effect infused with vegan collagen. Extra shine lip gloss. Wow, okay. Ooh, that smells delicious. It is a very light shade. I just put it over top of a Makeup by Mario, but I love these kind of colors. I really love these kind of colors. That is pretty. Yeah, I like that a lot. Ooh, okay. So let's talk about the box. I mean, overall, definitely very much skincare heavy. Wasn't expecting that, but I will say I really want to see if the KOA is the foaming cleanser I was telling you all about a while back that we had gotten in a past box that I absolutely love. That I put it right up there with the Tatcha cleanser, rice cleanser. That stuff's good. So I haven't received one from Ipsy or Boxycharm in a hot minute that I love as much as that KOA one. By the way, if you get into your account and you can pick it up, I would highly recommend doing that. So hopefully this is a good one and it's not stripping of the skin. We shall see. You just got loaded with a bunch of lipstick. Alright, so the hopes is heading out. So I lost my train of thought. I really don't remember what I was saying, but we're gonna just try and start again. It was like gone like a fart in the wind. That's my brain. Anyways, but what I will say is with this Pink Diamond Rhodile Lifting Oil, I thought it was something that we'd received before. I don't think it is whatsoever, and I am excited to see how it does play with makeup. I feel like it would be very helpful, especially if you do have a little bit drier skin. I don't know, we'll see. I'll definitely play around with it. This Huda Beauty, he just gave me a smooch and it like kicked back up that like cupcake kind of scent, and I really like that. I love when lippies have those kind of like scents in there with a hint of a flavor. Like, did I just taste a cupcake? You know what I mean? As far as the color goes, I like the color. It is on the lighter side. I don't really try and draw too much attention, I feel like, to my lips. So for me, it's fine. I like the color a lot. The Glow Recipe Niacinamide Hue Drops, I know I like these. I think they work great. And they pair really nicely with the sunscreen that I use by Color Science or It Cosmetics. Love that. And of course, you guys know I love when I get hair care products. Absolutely love that. So I feel like there's some definite great things in here for sure. Questionable on this, so I will keep you guys posted on this. But like I said, if you get into your account and you do a little shopping with the days coming up on, what was it, May 12th through the 18th, I personally absolutely love the KOA, I believe is what it's called, the Foaming Vitamin C Cleanser. That is so flipping good. And like I said, it is top tier to me, like the Tatcha Rice Cleanser. I love that cleanser. It is gentle on my skin. It is wonderful. And I haven't purchased it since I've been using the other cleanser that I received in my Boxycharm by Ipsy. It's just really good. So anywhoosy whatsy, that's all I got for you guys in today's video. So make sure and get your pics and everything. I think it's only open though for 3 days, and I think this video is probably going to go up after the fact. I don't know. We'll see how fast Rhonda can edit. What you got going on, girl? a lot. Anyways, that's all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for being here and stopping by. If you are interested in signing up for Boxycharm or Ipsy, or try it again, Boxycharm by Ipsy, I do have an affiliate link down in the description box, as well as I will pin it in the comment section for you guys. It's getting ready to rain again, so does anybody else get so sidetracked and love storms? Like, spring can be scary sometimes here in Kentucky, but it just throws me back to my childhood when I'd sit in the carport with my grandparents and watch the storms roll in. I'm like, loved it. I loved it then, love it now. Anyways, hopping off for now. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. And until next time, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.
Friends, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though. Wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid of